a company for health and the environment, a pioneer of hyperbaric oxygen chambers, a leader of the international market. Welcome to Medconet. It is difficult to find anyone today who does not suffer from chronic deficiency of oxygen in their system due to air pollution, stress, chronic fatigue, smoking and drinking, lack of exercise, and so forth. When your system does not get enough oxygen, it slows down your bodily metabolism and makes you prone to various illnesses. The high-pressure oxygen chambers deliver hemoglobin-rich oxygen, combined oxygen, and dissolved oxygen that can easily pass through even narrow vessels to all the cells around your body, helping you improve your blood circulation and other bodily functions. Medconet has changed the world's perspective on high-pressure oxygen chambers. Medconet is the only producer of high-pressure oxygen chambers in Korea, with rich experience and expertise behind itself. It specializes in production and distribution of high-pressure oxygen chambers, medical cameras, and other oxygen-related devices. Since the launching of its research center, the company has acquired patents and certificates, including the license to manufacture medical devices, the KGMP certificate, the Venture Company certificate, the Small and Medium Enterprises with High Exports Prospect certificate, and the CE Community of Europe certificate, and is currently applying for the approval of the US FDA so as to solidify its reputation and position in the international market. The high-pressure oxygen chambers are intensely studied in the United States and Europe, having been commonly used to treat carbon monoxide poisoning and decompression illness. The use of the equipment has spread over a wider range of areas in recent years to facilitate regeneration of cells and post-surgery recuperation, including at sports clinics, cosmetic clinics, and dermatologist clinics, as well as to treat diabetes-caused necrosis and burns, and promoting the growth of the brain and other body organs. Medconet's unique oxygen chambers are easy to install and maintain at hospitals, clinics, and even homes. Medconet researches on, develops and produces its own models of high-pressure oxygen chambers. These devices absorb high-concentration oxygen at a pressure much higher than the average air pressure, helping to increase the amount of oxygen traveling through blood vessels, stimulating bodily metabolism and other functions. The patient is injected with as much as 2.8 times more oxygen than usual to facilitate the healing of his injured tissues and promote blood circulation in his body. The oxygen injection also improves the body's auto-detoxifying capacity, metabolism, immune system, antioxidant functions, brain functions, anti-aging functions, and skin conditions. O2 Chamber, O2 Chamber Plus. O2 Chamber and O2 Chamber Plus, both of which are hard-type high-pressure oxygen chambers, are highly advanced models providing most convenience and functionality than any other models available both in Korea and overseas. Controlling up to 6.2 psi of pressure. The slide-type doors at the entrance allows for easy entry and exit, while the wide transparent glass allows the doctor and the caretaker to check up on the patient with more ease. The interphone inside the chamber also allows for communication with people outside. The models provide the optimal and safe interior environment with their automated pressure controlling systems, internal air conditioning, automated treatment time-set functions, and emergency buttons. O2 Chamber Plus, made with aluminum, is another version of O2 Chamber, especially in terms of the overall system design, performance, convenience, reliability and durability made possible by the remote controller inside the chamber that automatically controls the pressure. It is much easier to operate. Oxysys 4000, 4500. Oxysys 4000, 4500, a soft oxygen chamber, maintains a range of pressure between 2 psi and 4 psi. This chamber, made largely with polyurethane, is also safe and convenient to use both at hospitals and individual households. Available with emergency buttons, an automated pressure control system, and an emergency pressure control system. Designed specifically for patients requiring caretakers' help, such as children and the claustrophobic, Oxysys 4000, 4500 is as wide as 90 centimeters in the middle, allowing 2 persons to stay inside it at any given time. Pet chamber. Our pets require oxygen treatment from time to time as well. With pressure rising up to 3 psi, Medconet's pet chamber can accommodate almost all types of pets, including cats and dogs, for their comfortable oxygen treatment, and is hugely popular among veterinarians and owners of race dogs. Pet chambers are available in both the soft and hard types, and you can choose either of them to fit your needs and preferences. Simple installation. Usage. The installation method of Hyperbaric oxygen chamber of Medconet is as follows. Install the system. Put the compressor on the air conditioner and connect the cables. Install the oxygen generator. Stand the oxygen generator in front of or beside the system properly. Install the chamber. Assemble the frames as shown and fix the mat inside the chamber properly. Put the chamber onto the triangle base. Connection of chamber, system and oxygen generator. Connect the oxygen generator to the system with 6 mm pi hose, and then connect the system to the chamber with 10 mm pi hose. Turn on the main power. Get into the chamber in comfortable clothes and then zip up the door. In case of hard type, just close the door. Push the start button, air conditioner button, and oxygen generator button on the system. Start of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Timer setting. Push the menu button on the system. Then, when the light on display blinks, adjust the duration of hyperbaric oxygen therapy with up and down button. Now the time is set up. Medconet's biggest strength lies in its technological prowess. Thanks to its hard work and dedication, Medconet is now a well-recognized name around the world, being the biggest supplier of its kind to hospitals and clinics in Korea, and with exports reaching Japan, the United States, Australia, and Europe. The world now recognizes Medconet's technological prowess and business philosophy, realized through the company's ceaseless research and development activities. Medconet is committed to making the lives of all humankind healthier and more vital. A company for humans and health. Take Medconet, a company of principles, as your partner.